Are you tired of too many usernames and passwords? Our single sign-on apps integrate your Atlassian server or data center products with SAML-based identity providers. For example, ADFS, Azure AD, Okta, and many more. Are you still managing users manually? With UserSync, you can synchronize your company's user database with your Atlassian environment. It saves time and avoids mistakes. Don't buy unnecessary upgrades. A well-maintained user directory removes security risks and frees up licenses. Users who have never logged on or who are no longer active can be notified, removed from groups, or deactivated. You make the rules and let User Deactivator do the work. Take control of your API. Allow users to create unique API tokens for different integrations. It's more secure than passwords and even works in single sign-on environments. No changes in your third-party applications are required, only replace the password with a token.